Justin with HD Auto Detailing here. Working on this Ford F-150. Just kind of want to go through a more thorough video of what I do to clean the wheels and tires. You can see this one's not very bad, but you'll be surprised how much dirt and just brake dust and all that stuff comes off of it. So this is a fallout remover. This will remove brake dust, all that kind of stuff from the wheels, tires. It'll also work on the paint. I'm not sure that I'm going to go that far. We'll check it once I get it rinsed off. But we're going to start here with the wheels. And this stuff you can use pretty liberally. Don't have to be shy with it. Basically, you want to let it soak for a few minutes. And you'll kind of see it. You'll be able to watch it kind of turn purple. And what that is the breakdown of any kind of brake dust or anything that's contaminating that wheel. So while we're letting that soak, I'll also get started on the tire. And that's just a basic degreaser that kind of breaks down the dirt and stuff that gets built up on the tires. So basically what we'll do now, I'll go around this one more time, get a little more on there. And then I'll scrub this. You want to make sure you scrub it, get it very thoroughly, because if not, it'll really show once it dries. Be brown spots all over the tire. So now I don't know if you can see, I'll move the camera in a little closer, but you can see all that stuff starting to turn purple, and it's collecting mostly at the bottom. But yeah, you can see that there. So now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to spray this tire off. And yeah, I can get my mount right. There we go. have it. That's pretty much it. Now once the tire dries, we'll be able to see how well one round of that degreaser on the tire worked, and if necessary, do it again. And I've had some that I've had to do 3, 4, even 5 times, have to go over just because there's so much caked up gunk on there. But I don't think this one's going to be too bad, but we will see.